Grade 5, continuation of Chapter 2, The Stone Age, Part 3. We have already seen about the Paleolithic Age and the Mesolithic Age in detail. Now we are going to study about the Neolithic Age in detail. Now, as you can see that Neolithic Age is the third period in the Stone Age. And this word Neolithic here is also made up of two words, that is neo and lithos. The word neo means new and lithos meaning stone. So the Neolithic Age is also called as the New Stone Age. The Neolithic Age is also called as the New Stone Age. Now, we will see about the life of the people in Neolithic Age, the tools used by people of the Neolithic Age, and also the sites of Neolithic Age in detail. First, we will see about life, then tools, and then sites, as we have studied in detail about the Paleolithic and the Mesolithic. Similarly, we will see about the Neolithic. Now the life of the Neolithic people. Now the humans of here had become farmers from hunter-gatherers. Remember children, in the Paleolithic Age, we had seen that the people had to gather fruits and nuts, right? In the first stage. In the second, what happened? They could find some food in an area, and then also they observed that new plants sprouted from seeds. After observing this, they started to grow crops in this stage. So now they became farmers. Gradually, step by step, there has been a change, and now in the third stage they could start growing crops. They became farmers. Now once they became farmers, there was no need for them to hunt and collect fruit and root for them. No need to gather the food, because now they had learned to grow crops. Along with growing crops, they also domesticated animals like sheep and goat in the beginning. And they could get milk and meat from these animals. In the beginning, only wheat and barley were grown. Then later on, gradually the other crops also they started growing. Now, as they learned farming, they need not move from one place to another place in search of food. And they settled in one place. We had seen in the second stage also, in the Mesolithic, that they had started settling in one place. But now when they learned farming, a group of people together lived so that they could live a settled life. Also, the invention of wheel over here was of great help. Now, it was a very great achievement for the humans in the Neolithic Age. With the help of wheel, the life of people became much easier. They learned to make pots with the help of these wheels. Some utensils were also made. Also, heavy loads could be moved from one place to another place easily. And their work became very easy. Wheel was of great help to the people in the Neolithic Age. Children, you might have seen or you might have observed that in the railway stations or anybody on the road, those who carry heavy goods, they carry it on a cart, right? If we move it, we will require lots of energy and force to carry the load. But if the same thing is put on a cart, if the same load, and we push the cart, lots of lesser amount of energy and lesser force will be required. That means the same load can be moved with lesser and lesser efforts. So that was the reason wheel was very much important and helpful. We can see it nowadays also, that the people who drive carts, their carts are being attached to wheels, and with the help of these wheels they can move the cart easily. Also, the wheel was used for spinning and weaving cloth, and people started to weave cloth of different kinds of materials like cotton. Different materials were used for weaving cloth. So wheel was one of the greatest achievement of the Neolithic age. Then also some sites were found wherein the people in the Neolithic age buried their dead. Now, anybody is dead, what we do normally? We go and bury them, right? But in those days, what was the difference? They used to bury the dead along with the objects, meaning whatever objects we use, like maybe food grains or any other articles, along with the dead body, these articles were also buried inside the ground. The people in the Neolithic age, they had a belief that after dying, the dead body, the dead person will use all these objects whichever is buried with him in the other world. So that was the reason they used to bury with him clothes, food grains, so that the dead body could use it in the other world. Children, is it true that after a person is dead, he uses all these objects? No, it is not true. But people during the Neolithic age had such kind of a belief, and because of that they used to bury all the things along with the dead body. It was only their belief. Also, at some places pit houses were found. In Burzahom, pit houses have been found which provided shelter in the cold weather. Now, what is a pit house? Pit house is a house that is, this is the ground. The house is partially above the ground, whereas partially below the ground. Like this is the ground level and the house is somewhat inside. Little portion of the house is inside and some portion is outside. Such a house is called a pit house. Children, you might have seen earthen pots, everybody, right? Nowadays, in the present time, many of us use these earthen pots for drinking water, right? But when I was small, as a child, like you, I have seen these earthen pots were buried inside the ground. Like this is the ground, and if the pot, half of the pot was inside the ground, whereas half of the pot was outside the ground. This is the pot. When I was a child like you, that time I have seen that half of the portion was inside the ground and half of the portion was outside the ground. But you might have not seen, because this was many years ago when I was a child, and that too in villages. So in the same way, these pit houses were partially under the ground. Some portion of the house was inside the ground, whereas some portion was outside the ground. So this kind of houses, huts were found in some places. Then these earthen pots can be used for various purposes. For drinking water, then for storing grains. All these purposes, these earthen pots can be used. Nowadays, we drink only water in earthen pots. You might have seen the red color pots are available. Some nowadays we are having even the white color pots with different designs on it, right? But in the previous days, there was no metals like steel and copper and aluminium for the people to store food grains. So all whatever they had to store, cook, only they had earthen pots. So in that pots only they could store the grains, they could also cook. The utensils were also made of mud. Now this was about the life of the people. Now farming was their achievement, then wheel was one of their achievement of the people in the Neolithic age, and then also pit houses were also found which provided them shelter in the cold weather. After seeing about the life, we will now see about the tools. Now the tools in this period were much well shaped and polished to give a fine cutting edge. If you see the tools of the Mesolithic and the Paleolithic, there is a difference in each and every stage. If you compare the tools of the Paleolithic with the Mesolithic, Mesolithic with the Neolithic, means first to the second and then the second with the third, you will see that there is a difference in each of the period. There is a difference in the shape of the tools. Means every time there is some more changes. The tools are improved and better in each stage. Now, if you compare the tools of these two age stages, there is a vast difference, because the tools in the Neolithic age were much sharper and finer. They were sharp, fine, so that they could give a fine cut. But at the same time, they were made up of stone, wood or bone, like the previous time. But they were sharper and better as compared to the tools of the Paleolithic and the Mesolithic. After this, we will see the sites of the Neolithic age. Now, archaeologists have found some sites. Now, as we have already studied, that archaeologists are the only person who can find all these things. So they have found some sites in the Indian subcontinent, out of which some important sites are Mehrgarh, which is in Pakistan, then Burj Home, which is in Kashmir. Remember, we have seen just now pit houses were found in Burj Home. Then Chiran, which is in Bihar, and Koldiva, which is in Uttar Pradesh. These are some of the important sites which the archaeologists have found of the Neolithic age. Now also they have found some proofs of grains and bones. Now these grains and bones, what do they show us? We have already seen that the people in the Neolithic age started farming. They had learnt farming. This evidences of grains show and prove that farming was carried out, and also the bones were found. of the animals which were domesticated. Means which animals were domesticated in the beginning? Goat and sheep. So there were remains of these animals as well as grains were found by the archaeologists, by which we come to know that farming was carried out in the Neolithic age. Now we have studied about the life of the people, the tools and the sites of the Neolithic age.